A blinking blue LED on your T-Mobile hotspot usually means it's transmitting data. However, persistent blinking can indicate network congestion, data throttling, or a weak signal. Other colors have different meanings. Solid blue means a good connection. Solid red indicates an error like a SIM card issue. Blinking red often signals you've reached your data limit. No light means the device is off or has a depleted battery. Understanding these LED signals is the first step to fixing any issues. Check the T-Mobile app for real-time data usage and account status. If your T-Mobile hotspot LED is blinking excessively, start by power cycling the device. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to reset it. Next, check for app and firmware updates via the T-Mobile app. These updates often fix blinking issues. Ensure your account is current and you haven't exceeded data limits. Check usage in the T-Mobile app. For weak signal issues, relocate the hotspot to a higher position away from obstructions. If problems persist, perform a factory reset. Backup settings first. For unresolved issues, contact T-Mobile support for SIM reactivation or replacement. In 2025, T-Mobile rolled out widespread updates, improving network reliability.